GLM-5V Turbo Vision plus Google Gemini is insane. Most people are using AI wrong. They pick one tool, they ask it to do everything, and they wonder why the output is average. You're leaving so much on the table. There's a way to stack two AI models together. One thinks, one executes, and the results are on a completely different level. I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up. But first, hey, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie. I help people learn how to use AI tools the right way, build better workflows, and save hours every single week. So if that's what you're here for, stick around, because what I'm about to show you is one of the most useful setups I've come across in a long time. We're talking about combining GLM-5V Turbo Vision with Google Gemini to build what I'm calling an AI operating system. A system where Gemini handles all the heavy thinking and strategy, and GLM-5V Turbo handles the visual execution side at speed. By the end of this video, you're going to understand why these two tools work so well together, how to use them as a real workflow stack, and I'll walk you through two practical workflow examples you can steal right now. Let's get into it. So first, what actually is GLM-5V Turbo Vision? This is a model made by ZAI. It's a multimodal coding foundation model. That means it can take in images, video, text, and files all at once, not just text. And it doesn't just look at them, it understands them deeply enough to actually write code, plan actions, and execute complex tasks based on what it sees. Here's what makes it stand out. It's built specifically for what's called agent workflows. So that means it's not just a chatbot. It's a model that can understand its environment, plan what to do next, and then go do it. It has a 200K context window and can output up to 128K tokens. And that's enormous. So you can feed it huge amounts of information and get detailed, structured output back. Some of the things it can actually do, you give it a design mock-up image and it recreates the entire front end in code, pixel level. You give it a buggy screenshot of a web page and it identifies the layout issue and gives you the fix. You point it at a website and tell it to explore and recreate it. It will autonomously browse, map the pages, collect visual details, and generate the code. That is wild when you think about it. It also works natively with tools like Claude Code and OpenClaw, which means it fits into real developer and automation pipelines, not just one-off experiments. And then there's Google Gemini, specifically Gemini 2.5 Pro, which is Google's most advanced reasoning model right now. This is a thinking model. Before it responds, it reasons through the problem. That means it's catching things that a standard model would miss. It's ranked #1 on the LM Arena leaderboard by a significant margin. It handles text, audio, images, video, and even entire code repositories. It has a 1 million token context window. So we're talking about feeding it entire research reports, documents, code bases all at once. Gemini 2.5 Pro also has what Google calls Deep Think mode, an experimental enhanced reasoning mode that actually considers multiple hypotheses before responding. Think of it as your most strategic advisor. It's especially strong on coding, math, science, and complex multi-step planning. So here's the key insight. These two models aren't competitors, they're teammates. Gemini is your strategy layer. GLM-5V Turbo is your execution engine. Now let me explain what I mean by that, because this is where it gets really interesting. Most people use AI like this. They ask a model to do everything from scratch, research, plan, write, build, and the model does its best. But you end up with generic output because the model is trying to be everything at once. What happens when you split the job? Gemini's deep reasoning makes it exceptional at breaking down complex problems, building out strategy, doing research, understanding nuance, and generating a structured plan. It's the part of the brain that thinks hard before acting. GLM-5V Turbo Vision is exceptional at taking that plan and executing it, especially when execution involves visuals, code, front-end design, document analysis, or autonomous agent tasks. It sees what needs to be done, understands the visual environment, and acts. Together, the workflow becomes Gemini Thinks, GLM-5V Turbo Builds, and I want to show you exactly what that looks like in practice. And I've got two workflow examples coming up: community growth and content creation, and they're both things you can use right now. But before I get there, quick pause. When I first started working through setups like this, I was genuinely overwhelmed. There are so many tools, so many combinations, it's hard to know which ones are actually worth your time. That's when I created a community called AI Profit Boardroom. We've got over 2,000 members now, all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. Real use cases, real workflows, no hype. That community helped me figure out which tools to actually invest time in and which ones to skip. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Links in the description. Now, the workflows. Workflow 1, community growth. Say you're trying to grow an online community or a social presence. This is not just one task. It involves research, strategy, content planning, and execution. That's a lot. Here's how the stack works. Step 1, go to Gemini. Feed it everything. Who is your audience? What's happening in your niche right now? What topics are trending? What do people care about? Ask Gemini to do a deep research pass and come back with a strategic breakdown. Content angles, platform priorities, community pain points, and a structured growth plan. Because of Gemini's 1 million token context window and its thinking model capabilities, it can absorb a huge amount of context about your situation and reason through a detailed strategy. Let it think. The output at this stage is a roadmap. Step 2, take that roadmap, to GLM-5V Turbo. Now you're in execution mode. You can give GLM-5V the strategic brief from Gemini and start building actual assets. If you have design mockups or visual templates you want to recreate or adapt, GLM-5V looks at the image and generates the code directly. If you have existing pages or visual content you want analyzed or rebuilt, GLM-5V handles that too. It bridges the gap between the strategy and the actual output. What you've done is separate thinking from building, and the quality of both goes up because each model is doing what it's best at. Workflow 2, content creation, same principle, different application. Let's say you want to produce a high quality piece of content, an article, a video script, a landing page, a product breakdown, whatever it is. Step 1, Gemini. Use it as your research and outline engine. Feed it your topic, your audience, any reference material you have. Because Gemini is a thinking model, it doesn't just summarize, it reasons through the structure, identifies the most important angles, and builds a plan for you to work from. Ask it to think step by step. Ask it to flag gaps in the argument. Ask it to give you a hierarchical outline with the core message clearly defined. This is where Gemini really earns its place. Deep Think mode on Gemini 2.5 Pro can run multiple lines of reasoning simultaneously. That's something most models just can't do. Step 2, GLM-5V Turbo. Now you execute. If your content involves any visual component, a web page, a UI, a mockup, a design you want to recreate or build on, GLM-5V takes over. You can feed it the Gemini outline plus any visual reference, and it will understand both. It processes the text and the images simultaneously. It can generate the front end, write and structure the page, or produce document-grounded writing based on your reference material. It has official skills built in for things like image captioning, visual grounding, document-grounded writing, and more. The key thing is these workflows aren't theoretical. Both of these models are available through their respective APIs right now. GLM-5V Turbo through ZAI's platform at DocsDay, Gemini 2.5 Pro through Google AI Studio and the Gemini API. You can start building this stack today. Let me give you the quick implementation summary so you walk away with something actionable. 1. Sign up for both platforms, ZAI for GLM-5V Turbo, Google AI Studio for Gemini, both have API access. 2. Define where Gemini sits in your workflow. It's your reasoning layer. Use it for research, strategy, planning, problem decomposition, and generating structured outputs you can act on. 3. Define where GLM-5V Turbo sits. It's your execution layer, especially for anything visual, design to code, GUI interaction, document comprehension, agentic tasks, and front-end work. 4. Connect the outputs. The output from Gemini becomes the input to GLM-5V Turbo. The strategy feeds the execution. You're building a pipeline, not just using tools in isolation. 5. Iterate. Both models support streaming output, function calling, and structured JSON, which means you can build this into real automated workflows, not just manual back and forth conversations. One more thing worth knowing. GLM-5V Turbo is built to work within OpenClaw, ZAI's agent framework, which means it fits into real multi-step automated pipelines, not just one-off conversations. Pair that with Gemini's deep research capability, and you've got something that can operate at a level that would have required a team of people not that long ago. This isn't about any one model being the best. It's about building a smarter system with the right tools in the right roles. If you want to go deeper on this and really implement AI tools in your actual work, I want to tell you about 2 things. First, AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working, what's not. Which tools are worth your time? Which ones to skip? No hype. Just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in the description if you want to check it out. And second, if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are crushing it with AI. If this video was useful, drop a like. It genuinely helps more people find it. And subscribe if you want more workflows like this one. See you in the next one.